Hello everyone, today we're going to be creating 6 color variations of this new car Porsche Taycan GTS 2021. First, let's select the area of the vehicle that we want to color change. In this tutorial, I already made a selection which is the red part of the car. I use the object selection tool to automatically select the car and use the Shift and Alt keyboard modifier to subtract and add selection. If you want to follow my tutorial how to use it, I added the link in description below. For the black color, let's use the black and white adjustment layer. On the red channel slider, let's change the value to -35, yellow to -17. I think the result is not realistic because I think the blacks are clipping. To adjust the intensity levels of image shadows, midtones, and highlights, I added another level adjustment layer. So I only need to fix the midtones, which is the middle slider, so I'm adjusting it to 1.27. To avoid affecting the whole image, hold the Control key and click in between the level adjustment layer and the black and white adjustment layer to apply clipping mask. For the blue color, again I applied hue saturation and set the hue value to -131 and lightness to -15. Now for the gray color, again let's use the hue saturation adjustment layer and set saturation all the way to -100 to remove the red color completely, and set lightness to -32. For the white color, this time let's use black and white adjustment layer and let's set red channel to 169 and set yellow to 90. For the green color, again let's use hue saturation adjustment layer and set hue to 94 and saturation to -32. And for our last color, yellow, again let's use hue saturation adjustment layer. This time I'd use and select the red channel under the selector dropdown and set hue to 45, saturation to 50, and lightness to -15. That's it, and we are done changing our original color to create 6 versions of Porsche AG Taycan GTS 2021. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.